robot. And what I'm using is this control brick that controls this control brick with Bluetooth. And if I press this orange button, it goes forward.
Oh, okay.
And when I press the left button, it turns left.
Oh, look at that.
And when I press the right button, it turns right.
Okay. So can you show it going around like in a little dance? Cool. And was it really hard to make it do this? Was it hard to program?
Yeah, it was it was complicated.
Why was it complicated?
Because first we need to make a program for the sender.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need to make a program for the receiver, which is the robot.
Oh, yeah, so you had to make two different programs
Yes.
and then make them work together. Good. All right. Thank you.